just picked up my new Ludwig here. Got a black beauty. Let's open her up and see what we got. 5x14 hammer. Been a long time waiting for one of these. Remember seeing these when I was a kid, back in the 70s? Man. Everybody wanted the black beauty. Here I am, 47 years old. Finally got myself a black beauty. Let's take a look. Start with here. Guitar Center receipt. Yeah, we'll put that away. Plastic. Some important warranty information there. Some more plastic. Oh, they sent me a tuning key. Made with Pride, Memorial, North Carolina. The person's initials, I guess, that built it. And a Ludwig tuning key. Pretty heavy. Yeah, it's got a lot of heft to it there. That's nice. Watch me cut a finger off on video. That's back on. Ooh, that's nice. Man, that's nice. Oh, jeez Louise, look at that. Look at that badge. I don't know if this is focusing or not. Got a serial number on it? No serial number. Monroe, North Carolina, USA. Well, the serial number's inside. It's got a barcode. Proudly made in the USA. Straight out of the box. Haven't touched it with the tuning key, obviously. I guess they leave it nice and loose so it doesn't stretch. It's my excuse. I'm sticking to it. Side stick. Do a little work into this. See what we got here. The head's so loose it's barely even on there at all. Feel free to ask any questions at the bottom of the video. I'll be glad to answer as best I can. Bottom head. That bottom head's low. I like to crank that bottom head up. Get more action out of it. Tighten it up. Makes those wires pop, you know. A lot of people overlook tuning the bottom head. They just tighten it up a little bit. But if you listen to the overtones you get, if you tighten it up, loosen it up, those overtones are on top of the snare, you know. It's kind of almost after the sound when you hear the snare. The ring, I guess the ring, like we used to call it back in the day. It'll affect the tone of that. See, listen. That's changing the tone of the drum. A lot of people just overlook that bottom head. Making for a long, boring video. If this is the way the drum comes, I want you to see exactly out of the box. supposed to go across. I'm sitting down on my back. And that's that. That's loud. That's loud, man. See, Salman's gonna love that. This is one of the thicker E-ring. I always call it EQ ring or whatever. E-ring. This one's a good inch thick there. Maybe even 2. It's probably 2 inches thick. Salman love that though, because they spend all this money on the reverb units. They want to play with their reverb when they mic it out. Keplinger with wood hoops. It's one of the original ones from when Ray was with the company. Beautiful snare. I paid, I think, $1,100 for that snare. It's got the thick wood hoops. This has a better rim shot. This has a much, much better rim shot. You see how the rim shot sounds with this dead ring, E-ring, whatever those things called. Crazy. Yeah. It's legendary for a reason, man. You saw how little work I put into that. I just played with the tuning keys a little bit. There you go. It's a 5-inch hammered brass black beauty. Worth its weight in black gold, if you ask me.